trend values by using least square method. By using least square method. By using least square method. So here first column 2010, 2012, sorry 11, 12.
Pass them back and move.
Price 20,
Leave the pension.
30,
Pass
50,
them back and you guys
60,
move on.
70. So write this formula. This question. Year, price. This year. I said no. It said observation taken from previous, right? This all years, chronological order. We are getting information 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14. So price for that what? 20, 30, 50, 60, 70. So this is a question. And also calculate. Trend values for the year 2020 and also plot the trend values PLOT, plot the trend values in graph. Trend values in graph. Solution. This type of the last one, question is same thing. We'll give here one more data as well. Correct, right? So here I am writing as y. Here I am writing as what? Y. So that is here I am writing. So price I am writing as x. Price what ma? X. Whatever you write ma, don't worry about that. I am writing simply y as that here. So we got n is what? 5, right?
Yes, sir.
There are information, how much ma? 5 informations are there. N equals 5. So now, so this is n equals total how much of 5. If even numbers of information is there, sorry, this is odd number, right?
Yes, sir.
We have odd number of information. We will get directly mid value. So this I'll write T. Don't get confused. Whatever you write, ma. For my sake, I'm writing T. T means what? Time, right? That's why I'm indicating as time. T. Don't worry, you can write any whatever you write. But we need A and B value. That is important. So I took as T because of time, right? Correct, ma? This is information what? X. Now I need one more column that I'm telling y equals T minus central year. Y equals what? T minus central year. This is central year, right?
Yes, sir.
See, this is x answer now. X equals C minus y. This is x I wrote. Which one? 2012.
Yes, sir.
2012. 2010 minus 2012 equals how much of? Minus 2. Same 2011. 2012 minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
I am taking difference, division only I am taking. 2012 minus 2012, how much of? 0. 2013 minus 2012, 1. 2014 minus 2000. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
2012, right, huh? Correct, huh? So here see, minus 2 minus 1. This is x, huh? This I should write x, huh? This I should write y. That is t, this is y, this is x. Now I'll get 0, huh?
Yes, sir. 0.
Check.
0, sir.
I should get always, this is 0. In all questions, I should get what, ma?
0.
0. If not, I should solve these two equations. Correct, huh? See, always I should get what? Sum of x equals 0. If not, no, I should solve using these two normal equations. So now I'll get directly only because we'll get summation of x equals 0. Now I need one more column, right? X square. Correct, no, ma? X square means what? This square 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. This total also I need, right? This total also I need. Summation of x square. Summation of x square how much? 10. So one more I need. Summation of xy. So I'm multiplying with xy. This y, right? 20 into minus 2. So this is y. 20 into minus 2 how much? Minus 40. Hold on, sir. So, minus 40. 30 into minus 1? Minus 30. 50 into 0? 0. 60 into 1? 60. 70 into 2? 140. 130, yeah? Check ma.
Yes, sir.
Summation of x equals what? 130. Correct, right? Same in calculator. Minus 40, minus 30, 0, plus 60, plus 140. How much you are getting?
130.
So now we got both, right? Summation of x square also, summation of x y also. Now I am getting x y a value. To find out a value what? Summation of y divided by n. Summation of y divided by n. Sum of y how much ma? Y is not taken, huh? This is y, right? What total? 230, yeah? Check once. The total.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
46, sir. Total 37.
230 divided by n. How much 5, huh?
Yes, sir.
46. B equals summation of x square divided by sum of x square.
130.
130, yeah?
Yes, sir.
130 divided by
10.
10. So we'll get 30, right?
Yes, sir.
So now we got A as well as B. So formula I am writing one more to find out trend value. So YC equals A plus BX. YC equals what? A plus BX equals YC. A plus BX equals YC. A I know. How much by A? 40, right? 46. A 46. B
13.
13, huh? See, X we have how much, ma? Correct, right? Here only minus 2. 46 plus into minus? Minus 26, huh? Result how much? 23, huh?
20, sir.
20, huh? This I am writing as it is. Plus into minus? Minus 13 2s are 26. 46 minus 26, how much? 20. Next to 46, right? B 13 x minus 1. 46 minus 13, huh? Plus into minus minus 13. Now 23, huh?
33.
Check my answer.
33.
So 33 again 46 plus 13 into 0, huh? 46 plus 0, correct, right? 46 only, correct, right? 13 into 0, 0 only. Next 46, where my amount? So over, huh? 46 plus 13, 1, huh? 46 plus 13, 59, huh? So 46 plus 13 into 2, 46 plus 26, huh?
Yes, sir.
70, 72. See this total I should get 230, check ma. Correct, right? Your calculation 100% right. I am telling y means what? How much you are getting the same thing, you should get there also. How much total here? 230. I get same approximately, nearly you will get same thing. Here I am getting, because of I know exact value of A and B, right? If you are getting 46 point something, no, it should be nearer, not accurate. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Here I am getting A value as 46, B value as 30. Exact values I am getting. So I am getting exact result also. If in case A equals 45.13 decimals, no, you will not get on that time. Nearer you get. That is also correct. One question they will ask. Prove y minus yc equals 0. I'll add here only, and also prove that in question mark. And also prove that same thing, and also prove that y minus yc equals 0. Y minus yc equals 0. Y minus yc equals 0. Then it's done. So they are asking, trend. There are 3 questions, right? In question they are asking, what they are asking, ma? Calculate. I need the value of 10, right? Which year, ma? 2020. See, 2020, this only, we have 2020, I need, right? 2020 minus central year. Which was central year? 12. Correct, right? That only how we are getting x value by subtracting, right? 2010 minus 2012, 2011 minus 2012. So central 8, right? X equals what? 8. So trend values for the year what for 2020. 2020 minus x equals 2020 minus 2012. X equals how much? 8. Correct? Whatever they'll ask, there are 2 questions. Here they're asking 2020 trend values. They'll ask one more, 2030 like that. Then you have to calculate x value by using this only. 2020 minus central year. Which is central year? 2012. So I'll get what? X value? 8. I'll substitute same. YC, right? YC. YC means what? 2020 I need. A plus BX. A how much? 46. B 13x 8. 46 plus 104. Check also. 150 is the answer. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the trend values for the year 2020. 2020. So in government they are using this one to calculate. Whatever they need, they'll apply for this only. They'll get trend values. So I have to prove one more question. Y minus yc equals 0, right?
Yes,
Y minus yc equals 0. That also y minus yc equals 0. Y is what? 230, 230. Yc what? Check, ma'am. Y we have 230. Yc also we have how much? 230. 230 equals 0. 0 equals? This also finished, right? So now I should represent whole things in graph. Whole things in what? Graph. Stop. You copy this first. Any doubt? Compulsory they'll ask one question only for section C every year. This is x-axis. This is y, right? This is origin O. X-axis. This is y-axis. That is y, right? This one is x. That is what? Y. First, this is compulsory, to write scale compulsory. X-axis I am taking as year. What mark? Year. 1 year I am taking as 1 centimeter. See, difference is 1 right?
Yes.
1 year difference is there. So 1 year I am taking. Or you can take 1 year equals 2 centimeter. As you wish. 1 year 1 centimeter. Small, right? I am taking 1 year as 2 centimeters. 1 year as 2 centimeters. X-axis 1 centimeter equals what mark? Sorry.
1 year.
1 year.
2 centimeters.
1 year equals 2 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
See, this is 20, right? 10 then I am taking. See, check 70 is highest, right? So 10, 20 up to here only, right? So that is your choice. Whatever you take, y axis 1 centimeter, 20, 30, whatever you take. I am taking price as y axis. Price equals what? 1 centimeter equals 10, na?
Yes, sir.
Current time, 1 centimeter equals 10 I am taking. So this is what? 2010, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14. Correct? This 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Here also, so check once. Last is 72, right? Highest is 72. By observing these two, there also highest what? 70. Here also 70. First I'm using these two for 10 what? 20, 2010, 20. Next to 11, 30. Right? 12, 50. Is it correct, man? 13, 60. 14, 17. Correct, right? Use scale for this only. I am using scales, right? Now trend values. Same. 2010, how much, ma? 20. 20 here only, 11 now. 33. 33 up, correct, right? Next to 1246. 1246. Here only, here, correct, 13, 59. Down now. That's what. This 60, That's what. No, there I'm telling. 1250, right? This one 50, 13 now? 60. This one? Below only, right, ma? Next to. See, in your graph you'll get everything. Exact you are getting. Here not possible to track. Next one, 1472, upright. See, this you use only dots, not straight line. 10 width, how much? 10, 20, Here the correct, right? This only, This is trend values. Any doubt?